I thought I'd rock my post-lockdown pre-haircut style here to show you about filters for spreadsheets. So I'm on the NZATE website, fantastic resources, clicked on the resources tab, and I have gone to this awesome resource, New Zealand Text, currently available. It's the 2020 update, and it takes you to a spreadsheet. So here's the spreadsheet here. Now I probably would be looking for books on a particular theme. So you can see all the columns along there. I'll just scroll along a bit, and I've already been playing around, as you can see, because the theme's already clicked on. So I want to sort out what I want to look for by using this column. So here's the theme 1 column. Click on the J here at the top to select the whole column. Then go up to sort and filter, and you can see then that a little arrow comes down, and it's like a little extra dialog box. Now select all is already clicked, so that means the spreadsheet is bringing up every theme that it has available for you to see. We don't want that. We only want the one that we want, the theme that we want. So deselect by clicking on it, and then I want to look at the Destiny Fate theme. So I'm scrolling down, and there it is, Destiny Fate. Click on that, and then it's going to bring up everything associated with Destiny Fate. And there is one book there on Destiny Fate, and it is Spark by Rachel Craw. So now it saves me scrolling through all of that spreadsheet. So to get it back, click on my little filter button again and select all again. All right, and OK, and there's the spreadsheet again. So just go up to filters and click on your column, go up to filters, and it will select what you want. So I hope that's helpful. Toodles.